Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Play with Mickey. Mickey runs into the clubhouse.
"There's a Starlight concert in the park tonight," he says, "and we're playing."
"Let's go and load up the Toon Car," replies Minnie. "I'll find my flute."
"Great,"
says Goofy, grabbing his violin. Daisy brings her bell. Mickey takes his favorite accordion. Then Donald digs up his drum, and Pluto wags his tail. Before long, the Toon Car rides over a rock. Boom! It gets a flat tire. "Maybe Toodles can help," says Minnie. "Oh, Toodles!" Toodles brings 3 musketools, a wrench, a pump, and a paddle.
"What can we use to take off the flat tire and put on the spare?"
wonders Donald.
"The wrench,"
says Mickey. Mickey uses the wrench to change the tire. Then the friends drive away. The wheels on the car. The wheels on the car go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the car go round and round all day long. "Oopsie," says Daisy as the Toon Car reaches the lake. "The bridge is closed."
"Gosh,"
says Goofy.
"Let's grab all of our instruments and get in that boat."
Donald counts the paddles.
1, 2, 3, 4. Say, where's mine? "Oh, Toodles,"
calls Mickey.
"Look, this paddle makes 5. Pluto can paddle with his paw."
Donald picks up his paddle, and away the friends row. Row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Across the lake there's a big mountain.
"We can't row over it,"
says Donald. "We could walk over it," says Daisy, "but then we wouldn't get to the Starlight concert in time." "We could fly over it," says Minnie, "but the glove balloon is out of air." Then Toodles arrives with the last tool, a pump. Goofy pumps the glove balloon full of air, and then the friends fly up and over. Here we fly round the sun. Here we fly round the sun. Here we fly round the moon. Here we fly over the mountaintop in the afternoon. The glove balloon lands in a forest, but the forest is full of big bears.
"Gosh,"
says Goofy, looking through his telescope.
"Those bears might not let us pass."
"Oh dear," says Daisy. "The sun is setting. The Starlight concert is going to start soon, and we don't have any musketools left." "We have our instruments," says Minnie. "Let's play a lullaby to make the bears fall asleep." The drum, bell, and accordion are too loud, but the flute and violin are just right. The friends play a tune as the sun sets. The bears nod off. Pluto gets sleepy too. Mickey and his pals reach the park just as the Starlight concert is about to start. Their fans take pictures.
"Okay, let's play,"
says Mickey. "Play a song." Play, play, play a song. Choose a tune and play. Happily, 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 what a hot dog day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.